In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email sending domain in HubSpot. Establishing a connection between your email domain and HubSpot is an essential step if you want to ensure that your emails are sent smoothly and professionally. It can help improve your email deliverability and maintain your company's brand consistency across all communications. Now, let's dive into the process. First, what you need to do is head on over to the HubSpot dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, this is a good time to enter your login credentials and access the main HubSpot interface. Next, look towards the upper right section of the dashboard. That's where you'll find the gear icon, also known as the settings. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will take you to the settings page, where a wide range of options related to your account are neatly organized. Now that you have the settings open, take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. Here you'll come across a section labeled Content. Click on it to expand the options. This is where you'll manage various aspects related to the content associated with your account. Once inside the Content section, your next step is to scroll down a bit and locate Domains and URLs. Clicking this will lead you to the page where you manage your domains. This section is crucial because it allows you to handle all web and email domains associated with your HubSpot account. On the Domains and URLs page, if you look closely at the top, you'll see an option that says Connect an email sending domain. What this does is initiate the process of linking your email domain with HubSpot. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will guide you through a step-by-step setup process, which is user-friendly and designed to assist you even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. Connecting your domain is a crucial task because it verifies your ability to send emails through HubSpot. This strengthens your email's authenticity and helps prevent your messages from ending up in the spam folders of your recipients. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully initiated the process of connecting your email sending domain within HubSpot. Remember, taking the time to complete this setup not only boosts your email deliverability, but also reinforces your brand image with every message you send. Make sure to follow any additional on-screen instructions provided by HubSpot to finalize the setup. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides to enhance your digital marketing experience. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Happy emailing!